Taipei Mayor Hau Lung-bin, now a senior official in the KMT, spoke out today in favor of reforms that would make it easier for the economically disadvantaged to survive.
With Taiwan's monthly minimum wage now just over 19,000 NT, Hau said this amount does not reflect recent price rises on necessities such as foodstuffs.
For the first time as KMT Vice Chairman, Hau Lung-bin attended the party's Central Standing Committee meeting. Hau urged new standards for how the minimum wage is calculated.
在 CPI 3% 以下的时候
When the consumer price index rise remains under 3%, the committee, which handles rises in the minimum wage, doesn't meet. In the past 10 years, just once has CPI exceeded 3%. The minimum wage is no longer able to reflect rises in the cost of consumer goods.
According to the latest data from the Government Statistics Bureau, consumer prices in April rose 1.65% compared to a year earlier. More troubling is that foodstuffs prices were up more than 5%. The Ministry of Economic Affairs says it is urging enterprises to provide better pay to workers.
From last year to now, the response from enterprises, especially mid to large-sized ones, has been positive. But some mid to small-sized enterprises are more conservative when it comes to the topic of raises.
One company being watched is PX Smart, which today announced plans to hire 1,220 new staff. It starts floor staff out at 23,000 NT a month, lower than competitor Simple Mart.
We are quickly expanding our number of stores, so promotions will also be accelerated. In the next year, we will need to promote 80 to 90 store managers.
In response to Hau's request, Labor Minister Pan Shih-wei said his agency will soon gather experts to research the possibility of a regional-based minimum wage system.